What's up guys, Josh here at the MX shop, and today I just picked up a new bike. I just got myself a 2000 Suzuki RM250. So a bit of a backstory, I flip bikes all the time. I love working on them, I love riding them. And I just thought maybe I should put together a video series about how I make money flipping bikes and have some riding videos and stuff like that. And I'm going to be showing you guys my tips and tricks that I use whenever I'm flipping a dirt bike. Without further ado, let's get started. So one thing that you want to do when you're flipping a bike is you want to, if there's the surface of like the plastic is dirty and stuff and there's all that sticky crap on it from when you peel off the graphics, you want to be able to get that off. So I find the easiest and least damaging way to get that stuff off is by using Sospad. And you can literally get these things from like Walmart or like the dollar store or something. It's super cheap, you can get them anywhere, and they're really effective. They don't scratch up that plastic. It leaves a really nice smooth finish. And so you can see here I've got lots of that sticky stuff on here. Oh yeah, look at that. You can definitely see a marked difference in that gas tank. Look how shiny that came out. That looks awesome. So I was thinking about changing the air filter, or at least cleaning it out, but I'm looking in here, and as you can see, that's a pretty clean filter. Looks like it's been recently changed, and in here there's not really any dirt or dust or anything, and this is without me cleaning anything, so we're good to go. Oh yeah, that pipe's got some serious rust on it. Alright, so now I'm just going to be freshening up that pipe with my high gloss, high heat spray paint, and I'm also going to be doing the tip of that silencer, and hopefully it'll look brand new when we're done. Alright guys, so here I got the pipe and the silencer. I just did my paint job on them. Using this here Duplicolor stuff, engine enamel, high gloss. I just picked it up for like 20 bucks, and yeah, it's coming out pretty nice here. Looks pretty good. That's looking pretty good, and I'm going to be doing the stator cover as well. So alright, so again, using my Duplicolor high gloss black engine enamel, I'm going to give this thing a few coats. Alright, so I'm going to let this thing dry, and I'm probably going to give it another coat, and when we get it back on the bike, I think it's going to look pretty good. Yeah, I think this thing cleaned up pretty nice. Now, carburetors can be hard to get back on when you clean off the bike. So what I like to do, I generally like to pull back subframe to be able to have a little bit of wiggle room to get that boot on. And you see here, it's a little bit jackknifed, so I'm having a little bit of a hard time getting it on. So what I like to do in cases like this is I like to use a little bit of this dish soap. I think it's just some Dawn dish soap that I got here, and I'm going to apply it to the boot here, and it should slip onto the carb. You don't want to really get any inside though, because you don't want that to get stuck to the carburetor. And just like that, I got that carb seated properly. So I made this discovery here about the choke. When you go to pull it, and there you have the problem. The whole choke assembly comes right out. So I went ahead and I ordered a new choke plunger. I was looking at them online and the OEM ones were like 80 bucks. And I was pretty surprised by that. So I went for an aftermarket one that I found for 10 bucks online. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. All right, so most of the stuff here for the RM just came in. I got all the plastics and stuff. We're still waiting on the rad shrouds here. But you know what, I figured I'll just go ahead and throw on all the stuff that I have here. All right, so let's just talk numbers really quick before closing out this video. So I know we're all wondering, how much profit did I make on this flip? So initially I picked the bike up for $1,800 and I was able to keep my spending pretty low on it. I bought grips, $10.24, shrouds, $60.93, side panels, $72.99. The front fender, $36.99. The number plate, $39.99, which is robbery, by the way. A couple little stickers, $4.98. And the choke assembly, $10.07, which, like, by the way, actually, I was misled. It did not work. It was not compatible. So it was like a snowmobile choke or something. So what I ended up doing was just repairing the original choke. It works perfectly. And so my total cost for parts comes to $239.28. So I was able to keep that budget pretty low. I think that's pretty good, pretty conservative. And I listed the bike for $3,500. I got an offer for $3,400, and then he was a no-show. So then I listed the bike for $33, nothing, $32, just lots of trades and stuff. Everybody wanting to trade their snowmobile or their junky ATV. Anyway, so then finally I listed the bike for $3,100, and so I sold the bike for $3,000, giving us a profit of $961. Yeah, $961. So that's a really, really good profit, I think. We're just going to go ahead and call it 1,000. I'm really happy with that, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any tips or anything that you would like to give, please feel free to comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys. All right, see you in the next video. And be sure to like and subscribe.